B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Hi there, Dimitri. Demi-Circle.com, learning my natural notes. Today's second string open B. On the Demi-Circle of music, the natural notes are the letters. Every dot's a fret. So B is open, one dot to C or first fret. B, one fret to C, two frets to D, two frets to E, one fret to F, two frets to G, two frets to A, two frets to open B. Descending counterclockwise, two frets to A, two frets to G, two frets to F, one fret to E, two frets to D, two frets to C, open B. Okay, let's try it together. B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Descending. B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B. Real slow. B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Find the natural note circle and a variety of different demi-circles at Demi-Circle.com. Dimitri, bye.